Here are 5 important steps on how to install a paver patio. First, proper excavation depth. Everything starts with digging to the correct depth so the base, sand and pavers can be installed the right way. Second, a well-compacted subgrade. Compacting the soil helps prevent settling and keeps the surface stable over time. Third, installing the base evenly. Your base material should be spread and leveled properly to create a strong and consistent foundation. Fourth, screeding the sand correctly. The sand layer needs to be smooth, and even so the pavers sit flat and aligned. And fifth, checking your levels throughout the process. Making sure everything is aligned and sloped correctly helps with drainage and gives you a professional finish. When the levels are done right from the start, the entire paver installation turns out stronger, smoother, and built to last.